Hey guys, Tim Wallace back with you. We're doing something that we usually do, dragging old stuff out of the woods, something a little special. We're at a friend of mine's collection. Unfortunately, passed away. Guy that I met years ago at a car show, and had a huge collection. I think 140 cars, everything you imagine. Just a big collection, really cool guy. Unfortunately, passed away. And I got in touch with his family, was able to buy 3, maybe even a 4th car today. So I'm going to show you some and check it out. I'm not going to disclose his name. The family wants to keep that private, and I'm going to respect that. But I wanted to show you these cars before we dig them out because they're really cool. So there's the first one, 1968 Cadillac DeVille. Really cool car, and the best part, it's convertible. Top's going, obviously. Interior's all there. Not terrible rust, but just a cool old car. 68 being my favorite of the 60s vintage Cadillacs. So this is gonna be the first one. You see he had a little bit of everything. F1s, Volkswagens, shoebox Fords. And this is the second one. This is the one I'm by far the most excited about. According to the family, this is a 56 Dodge truck, obviously. But this one was really cool. Okay, so he drove this truck to college back in the 60s and painted it himself. Did some cool touches. Obviously, swapped in a different grille, some different wheels and caps. Got some different tail lights and just some neat stuff. This is the closest thing to as I've ever found to a period hot rod out in the wild. Super neat truck. Been sitting since, well, best we can figure, sometime in the early 80s. It's been sitting so long. I'll show you. He even built a custom tire mount. You see all flame cut. Even dented in his fender here for clearance. I'm not touching that. That's just too neat. You know, that's just something an old hot rodder did. Built his own bumpers. Let's climb over here. It's been sitting here so long. The tree is grown up to the running board. So, this one's really cool. Like I said, this is the one I'm the most excited about. Let's see what the tag says. Yeah, look at that. 1982, last time it was registered. So, we're going to get to digging, pull these things out. Just want to show you guys where they've been resting for the last 35 years or so. And we'll show you a couple more, but these are the first two, and it's time to get to wrestling them. And here's the third one, 1949 Ford, 2-door. Pretty dang solid car. 49 Obviously has the pull out door handles. Real complete. Key still in the switch. I mean, it's just incredible to find stuff like this still. I think it was probably done sometime maybe in the 80s, judging by the diamond stitch interior. But it's real cool patina. 96 is the last tag on it. There she sits. Always love these shoebox Fords. And this one, best part. See if I can get it open here, move this branch. Let's see. Best part is, yes, that's correct, flathead V8. Obviously everyone's heard of them, how awesome they are. I love the way they look. Never owned one, so this is my first. Now it's time to drag it out. All right, we're back. So, as you saw the other day, we drug everything out of the woods, the three we bought. Got 2 of them loaded up, 2 of them taken over to our holding lot. Ran out of daylight, you know, had some stuff to do, so left the other one. We left the 68 Cadillac here. The owner's super nice. She's like, leave it however long you want. We'll give you a tarp for it. Just, I mean, above and beyond. Just super nice lady. And in the midst of all this, I might have accidentally bought a 4th car. I can't help myself. There was one we were looking at, I mentioned earlier, and I couldn't turn it down. It was just too cool, and the price was right, and here it is. Check it out. So here it is. Yes, another Cadillac convertible. Never owned a convertible. Now I have 2. Go figure. This one's a 66, and this one's an Eldorado, which, from my understanding, and I'm not a Cadillac aficionado, my understanding this was the highest line you could get, and also this is the last year for the Eldorado in a rear-wheel drive. After this, they went to the front-wheel drive. Ugly things. It's a pretty dang solid car. The only rust I've seen is right there, and that's not terrible. Got some cool old stickers, you know, Silver Springs, Florida, Miami, you know, probably where that little rust came from, but it's all in all pretty solid. It's got great patina. It looks like it's been painted one time in its life. It's not bad. And like I said, the price was right. Kind of this cool copper color. White interior, white top, or what's left of the top. But, you know, this kind of stuff, you just don't find. You don't find in the wild often. And I just couldn't let it sit here. Someone probably would have came and got it, would have done something with it cool as well, but I just had to have it. I've got a problem. But so for now, today, we're over here gonna cover these up with tarps until we get a little more time to sort out our holding lot and get everything organized there. Probably gonna put some jack stands under these things, take the tires off, put some blocks under it, you know, so we can get some good tires on them, so we can roll them. This one actually was the easiest one to roll out of everything. Thank goodness, because those other ones were a huge pain. So there it is, 4th one. As you can see, there's still a lot more here. A lot more. And some really cool stuff. Who knows, I may buy some more. I got a buddy that's been wanting a project. You know, I'm gonna clue him on this other stuff. Maybe he'll buy something. Like I said, I'm not going to disclose where this is at. I'm not going to disclose the owner's name. I'm not going to disclose the older gentleman that owned all this and passed. The family wants to keep it private, and I have to respect that. So all those people wanting to know, I'm sorry. You know, maybe there'll be a sale one day, auction of sorts, maybe. If there are, I'll make a video of that too. You know, we'll try to get everyone in. I want to see all this stuff saved, but I can't save them all, so not right now. But anyway, thanks for watching. We're going to dig some more of these out. Obviously going to be some project videos. Clue me in. Tell me which one you want me to do first. You want to see the truck? You want to see one of these Cadillacs? The 49? You know, I'm going to build them all anyway. So let's work on them. Anyway, thanks for hanging around. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.